It's all about pivoting, and it's all about having a plan B, plan C, all the way to Z. Um, you should know how your business operated before AI. And let's just be even more cautious. Again, have a plan B. Sit down and talk to your team, or strategize on your own. If this went out, if I tomorrow lost access to Chat GPT, how would this affect me in the business? And what are some contingencies that I can put in place in order for my business to continue? Now, it may cost you more, but brainstorm, how can you mitigate those costs? You may not be able to take away the entire expense, but how can you lessen that blow to your business? You don't have to completely lose your business. And again, this is why I tell people, don't get too dependent on AI. I suggest always having at least 2 AI programs, because one is always going to crash. It's it's always going to happen. Chat GPT, the servers are down half the time because the entire world is on there. And so if you're a blog writer and all you do is write blogs using Chat GPT, what happens when the servers are down? You have to have a backup. So let's go with chatbots. Before chatbots were a thing, how did you talk to your customers? How did you manage that? If you have a team, there should be training on how to pivot away from high use technology in your business. What would we do? Let's just say if there were another pandemic, if the government, something happened with the government, and now all of a sudden we don't have access to AI programs anymore. There needs to be a strategy session at least once every 6 months, if not maybe once a quarter, because now things are moving so fast with technology. Let's make sure that we strategize at least a few times throughout the year, just to make sure that we have a buffer, if you will, in case something happens with AI and our access to it. So that would be my suggestion. Have strategy sessions, create a plan B through Z, and make sure that you, as well as your entire team, understands how to implement these strategies immediately if necessary. A lot of people with social media, they think their followers will always be there. But we've seen when platforms go down, you lose all the information to all of your followers. That's why it's very important to have things like an email list. Your email list is yours. You also should have a hard copy of your email list. I'm super paranoid, so I back up everything onto my external hard drive. And I have 2 of those. And so you should, again, not depend so much on things online and technology, because we never know when it's going to go down, or we might not have access to it again.